Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you post long videos on Instagram stories, so let's jump right into it. Now if you try to do that right now, you'll notice that you can only post videos that are shorter than 90 seconds. Anything longer than 90 seconds will not fit in one story, so let me show you how can you work around that and post long videos on your story on Instagram. First, go to your store and simply find a video cutting app. So search for Video Cutter and download any option or application here. Now if you have the feature of cutting videos on your gallery, that's gonna be better, and that's what I'm gonna use in this video. Anyways, get to your video and let's go ahead and cut it. Now as you can see guys, my video is 2 minutes long. What I'm going to do is split this video into two 1 minute long videos. As you can see guys, the process is very easy. You can do this on every cutting or video cutting application. I'm gonna split the second part just like that. And just like that, I have two 1 minute long videos. I can go to my Instagram story and post this video or these two videos right next to each other. And once I publish them, they will look like I have done or have posted one long video in my story, which is actually in two stories in my case here. And that is basically guys, how can you post long videos on Instagram stories. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.